Hi, I'm Mickey Keenan, your personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida. We help auto accident victims get the money they deserve so they can get back to living. Florida's number one again. We did it. We are number one in the country for the most uninsured drivers. According to the Research Institute, we have 27% uninsured drivers in the state of Florida. Pretty good numbers if you want to get hit by somebody who doesn't have insurance. Today, we're going to talk about uninsured motorist coverage, what it is and why it's important. Why does it matter what the other driver's insurance coverage is? Well, it matters because if someone else causes an accident, whatever insurance coverage they have is the most that insurance company is going to pay. If that other driver has $10,000 in insurance coverage and you have a claim that's worth $100,000, the insurance company is only going to pay you $10,000. If they have no insurance or no bodily injury coverage, the insurance company is not going to pay you anything. Zip, nada, zero. And you're going to have to try to get your money out of that at-fault driver. Uninsured coverage or underinsured coverage protects you when the at-fault driver either has no insurance or not enough insurance. So say you have that $100,000 claim. You get hit, your medical bills are high, you've been out of work, there's a lot of pain and suffering. The person that hits you, they have $10,000 in bodily injury coverage. The insurance company gives you that $10,000. If you have $100,000 in uninsured motorist coverage, you would get that $90,000 from your own insurance company, or at least you'd fight to get it. If you had $100,000 and the other driver had zero, you would get the full $100,000 from your insurance company. If you don't have that $100,000 in uninsured motorist coverage, you can't go after your insurance company. You can only go after the at-fault driver. And good luck trying to get $100,000 out of someone who can't even afford their own insurance. You have all these TV commercials telling us we can save money on our auto insurance. Call an agent and they say you're not required to carry uninsured motorist coverage. In Florida, it doesn't require much. The only thing Florida law requires is PIP and $10,000 in property damage. They don't even require that drivers carry bodily injury coverage. So there's about 27% of the people out there driving with no insurance. We got a bunch more driving who only carry the required insurance of property damage and PIP, so no bodily injury coverage. And then we have all those other drivers who carry a minimum of $10,000 in coverage. That's a lot of people with very little coverage. Is that a risk you want to take? You better believe that a high percentage of these uninsured or underinsured drivers are high-risk drivers. High risk, what does that mean? Well, high risk means that the insurance companies believe that these drivers are so likely to cause an accident that they're not willing to give them insurance, they're not worth the risk. Uninsured motorist coverage is your one opportunity to insure yourself to get protection against those at-fault drivers who are too great of a risk for the insurance company to provide insurance. Don't just assume that you have uninsured motorist coverage. Make sure you have it. And if you're not sure, give me a call. I'll review your policy with you for free.